Genuine Cable consists of four major brands, and that is Cobra Wire, Electro Wire, Seacoast Electric, and Connect Air. And with those four brands, those are all companies that we've bought over the last several years, and it's allowed us to have expertise in a wide variety of key markets, and then also have access to a wide variety of products for those key markets.
The Genuine Cable Group brings all of these acquired companies under one umbrella. What that does for Motion Industries is it allows us to tap the resources of the Genuine Cable Group for their expertise in the wire and cable business.
At GCG, we're committed to delivering high-quality wire and cable products to meet almost every electrical application that's out there.
We're a distribution company of wire and cable, so we have very strong buying power with manufacturers both here in North America and internationally. And we bring bulk cable in. Sometimes our customers want bulk cable out, so we repackage and ship. Many times we cut to length, and repackage and send to whether it's a contractor on a job site, whether it's an MRO opportunity on a factory floor. Telecommunications is a very big opportunity for us that we service. All these different niches that we have, again, give us the buying power within some major manufacturers that keep us on a competitive edge.
So some of those products might be portable cords, tray cables, medium voltage, arm-rolled cables, VFD products, which are variable frequency drive cables. And those cables in particular tie in very nicely with the drive system that Motion's packages and sells every day through their branch network.
The overall orders that come into the building typically ship same day or next day. That would represent about 90 to 95% of what we have through these buildings. Typically, the orders will have a function that's required by them, whether it be cutting, tracing, specialty packaging, etc. And that is normally about 70 to 75% of those orders that come into our building. In addition to cutting to length of product, we specialize in tracing cables. Any color can be traced with any rainbow of colors to provide the products that the customer needs on their job sites or in their facilities. In addition to that, we can specially package product and label it according to the needs of our customer, whether it be a specific number that needs to be on a cabling, a part number, a lot number, whatever the customer desires is our goal, is to delight the customer.
Some of the opportunities that we look for and we spend a lot of time in would be locations like steel mills where it's an extremely harsh environment. Cable is abused, very high temperatures. The atmosphere is very destructive to cables, constant flexing, and physically abused, being run over by large pieces of equipment. And we've been able to come in, find a solution that both works for the customer and extends the life of the cable.
In addition to our just plain cut and distribute, we also have a assembly operation, and that assembly operation is finished assemblies, which again is something that the Motion team will see pretty prevalent out there. It represents, as our overall business, it's 10% to put it in perspective, but it's an important value add to be able to provide finished assemblies for our end users and our contractor community.
We have 5 engineers that are combined experience of about 50 years or so that can help in the design of any new assembly with customers. Full service, we can go down, help them with the design, then take it to the prototype build and go right through into production and a competitive quality product. There's a customer that we do that's a military customer, and they have these vehicles that they build for the government. There's 137 cable assemblies in each vehicle, and we just produced 91 vehicles for them, so a ton of assemblies. We helped them with the design, not only the design of the assemblies, but we actually went down and helped them design the cable itself, which then we went to one of our partners, our supply partners, to help us source that. So, like I say, it was a big program. We built it all about 10,000 assemblies in a 3-month period of time. 100% on time, 100% quality, and the customer's delighted.
We've got a long-standing customer now with the Seattle branch. It's a steel mill that's in their territory that goes through a type of cable, an SO cord, pretty regularly, and we've been able to put some inventory in their location as well as stage additional material in one of our locations so that we can service them same day or next day with any of their needs on that cable. We've been able to cut their cost down because we're buying much larger inventories and bringing it into their service location so that there's no additional freight charges, and it's delivered same day.
A significant trend today continues to be for our customers to want to do more business with less suppliers. They are counting on our expertise in the products we sell so they can concentrate on their core objectives of making finished goods. Also, these products will be around for a long time as they are critical to the manufacturing process and to keeping our MRO customers up and running.
You know, Genuine Cable Group is part of EIS, which is part of Genuine Parts Company, so it's certainly a very large company, and that brings a lot of benefits in that we have access to all the major lines of wire and cable. We're top distributors for most of the top brands of wire and cable, so we are able to, again, offer that breadth of product. And because we're a large supplier, we can also get, you know, very good pricing and different, if people want custom cable or need something unique, we have that ability to do that. Again, I think the expertise, because we're in so many diverse markets, that we have that expertise with a lot of our suppliers that we're able to bring to a customer to help solve unique problems. They may have a need where a cable is being used for a process that's not working correctly or not doing everything they need. And with that expertise we bring with our suppliers, that we can bring that to bear to a customer to help solve an application issue.
I just really love the possibilities for our combined. Again, we have an industrial entity in Motion Industries who now has within Genuine Parts an industrial provider of wire and cable. Let's marry those up. You know, let's see if we can start having success, breeding success in this area, and start competing, whether it's on a corporate contract or on a project in Peoria that the local sales guy knows about. Because together, I think on paper it really makes sense. Let's try to execute our industrial wire and cable offering with your industrial customer base. And I'm really excited about the opportunity.
Along with the acquisitions came a lot of product knowledge, a lot of technical experience that we now have available at our disposal. Let's take advantage of that knowledge they have and the product offering that they have at the Genuine Cable Group to go out and find more solutions for our customers on a day in and day out basis.
Let's together embrace this sales opportunity by offering these new products to our customers and in turn help support the GPC family of companies.